everyone, it's Els here on Technique Friday. Today I'll be showing you a Halloween card featuring the Scarecrow die set, which is this one. Then I have the spiderweb die set, comes with the 2 spiders in it as well. And then I use the square stitched rounded die set as well. So I already created the card base, so I have my square black cards. Then I have my background here. You can find exactly how to do that on the project sheet. And I attached the spider web on there. So I'm just going to start building. And what I want to show you quickly, because we use the distress ink a lot. I use the minis, most of it. And then I'm just going, this is our white soft finish cardstock, of course. We use that for all our coloring with the distress ink. It's so beautiful. You see the shadow there. I'm just going to do it from the same here. Kind of gives a little bit of rounded effect. And that is such a beautiful combination, our white soft finish cardstock with the distress ink. So that's going to be the face. Going to put that felt back underneath here. And the other colors I used will be on the project sheet as well. So that's going to be the face. And then we can start assembling. So what I want to show you, so I thought, oh, it would be cool if I do it in burlap. So I have a piece of cardstock, I put a double-sided adhesive on there and then die cut that kind of dress, or how you want to call shirt, out of the burlap. You cannot just cut the burlap by itself because that would be kind of fall apart, I assume. And then for the sticks to put it together, I actually found a piece of wood cardstock laying around. So I use that for the sticks. So, and here I etched my dress or shirt, how you want to call it, a little bit with the black soot. And what happened is, which is cool, because it kind of made it a little bit more rough on the side, which is actually cool. So you just, and of course when you have the scarecrows outside, they're always a little bit dirty from rain and wind and storm and whatever. So you see, so now you have your dress here and you have kind of the ruffled edges, which I think looks cool. So, and then we can just start building this on the card. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we're going to take the stick and put the stick down. So I need to put some glue on there because there's no, so I'm just on some points, probably I'm going to not put it exactly in the center. So that's that one. So I'm taking this part, I'm not going to put it completely straight because I think that's cool. I think I'm probably going to assemble my head first. So this is the face part, so it has actually double-sided adhesive, so just black cardstock with double-sided adhesive on the back. And then you can just stick it on there. The other eye, so that's very easy to assemble. Of course, the little nose is there as well. So that's the face. I'm going to put it in the head, so I'm going to slide it in here, kind of, you see, so the head actually has a part that you can slide that pumpkin head in there. Okay, so then I'm going to attach a piece of double-sided adhesive on the head, so that right away we'll hold that pumpkin piece in place as well. I think like that. Then I cut out of felt, so I actually took felt with double-sided adhesive, and that's this, and I also use it for the patches to go on the shirt. That's that, and then I have a gold piece that goes here. So I'm going to put the buckle here, and then I'm going to put the dress down, just like a piece of double-sided adhesive here, and maybe cross over, that should be fine. Goes like that. Then the little vines here, kind of coming under from under the pumpkin or under the hat. You can just slide it in. And I don't glue it all the way down, you see, because I kind of want to have that a little bit loose. Then I have those cute little mice here. I'm going to stick on. And one is kind of crawling up the pole. And again, just a little bit of glue. And the other one will be walking around. And then I have the patches to go on the shirt. I have two, yeah, just going to choose one orange and one purple, I think. So this is also felt, and then with double-sided adhesive on the back. So now you have like a real fabric shirt or dress, however you want to call it. So that's that. Let's see, I might use one spider. I'm just going to lift his feet up, like the legs up, feet up a little bit. Legs, probably, yeah, legs, spider leg. And I'm just going to put one here in the corner. And the other one I'm going to save for another project. So that's a cute Halloween card. Thank you for watching. You can find more samples on our Instagram, Facebook family page and the YouTube channel. See you next time.